So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing really well, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create any article into a good video within a few minutes. And this is the video that I created with the help of this software called Yive, which we are going to be using for this video. And this is the article and the URL that I copied into the system of Yive, and then it basically produced this type of a video for me. Let me just play it and show you how it works.
From online poker to selling your collection of Beanie Babies, there are lots of popular get-rich-quick, money-making ideas that always pop up. Do they work? Not really. Will you make money doing it? Maybe, but you...
So this is the video that I created with this very software called Yive, and basically it creates different versions. You have the option to get the variations of the videos. This is another variation of the same script or the same URL, which is this one. Let me just play it for you.
From online poker to selling your collection of Beanie Babies, there are lots of popular get-rich-quick, money-making ideas that always pop up. Do they work? Not really. Will you make money doing it?
So this is the type of video that you would be able to create within a few minutes with the help of this software called Yive. And let's just get started how we can create such a video. So for this, first of all, we need to go into the campaigns and click on new campaign. And then let's enter a name of the campaign. Let's enter test 3, and we need to select this option with specific URL and click on next step. Now here you need to enter the URL for the website that you are looking to get created for a video. So what we are going to do is we are again going to use the same article, which is this one, and let's paste it here. No need to put in your phone number here. Let's go to the next step. Alright, so now you will see that the script, it has copied the script right within the software, and if you want to make some changes, you can make it right here. Also, the title has been automatically put it in the software itself. You can modify it according to your needs, and here you can enter your keywords. Then you can enter asset keywords, which are basically the keywords that will be used for fetching the stock footages that will be played in the background of the video. So since this is a make money online video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put keywords like money, rich, online, make money online, and I'll put the same keywords here. I can add a few more keywords here, but I'm not gonna do that for now. Now you can leave it on check, and you can basically just leave it as it is according to your needs. And if you want, you can change the title. Let's just paste the description right here. And then if you want, then you can also paste the tags. Let me just copy the keywords and put the tags right here. If you want some intro text to show up at the start of the video, then you can put it here. And if you want some outro text, then you can put it here as well. And yeah, let's go to the next step now. And here you will be able to select how much slides you need in this video. I'm gonna keep it at around 40 to 50 slides, and let me just shorten the duration of each slide. And this gives the estimated video duration according to the slides per video and the duration per slide. So just make sure to choose it wisely and select it wisely. If I select the slide between 13 to 14 seconds, it's gonna increase the video duration to 10 to 12 minutes. Now if you want the text to be added in the video, then you can check this box, and and here you'll get the option whether you want the voiceover, you want the background music, or you want both. And here are different voices available that will be played. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on select randomly, and yeah, it looks good. and I'm going to go and click on save and go to next step. Now you can select how many videos you need, and if you've got the monthly version of this very software, you will be able to auto upload videos to YouTube without requiring to manually upload the video. This software is gonna upload it for you, and you don't need to do any of the work manually after you are done with this process. So I'm gonna leave it like this only and click on save campaign. Alright, so let me turn on the campaign now. So to turn on the campaign, I think I need to click on edit and click on schedule, and here let me just enable this save campaign, and when I click on run now, it's gonna start creating videos for me in the backend, and I'll be able to see the videos right here. So yeah guys, that's about it for this video. Now this is one of the best softwares that is great for doing this thing, and I've personally tried a lot of other softwares, but this one does a great job, and it will instantly create your article into a video. So yeah guys, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any queries regarding this, and in case you want this software, then there's a link in the description. You can check it out from there. There's 2 deals available right now, which comes with one-time payment, and another one comes with a monthly version, which also allows you to add Google accounts and automate the process of uploading videos on YouTube without having to do it manually. So you can choose whichever one suits you the best. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.